What's up, guys? So I'm at a new spot I haven't tried before. It looks pretty cool. Figured I'd at least try it and see how it goes. Feeds into one of the other creeks that I fish in, so hopefully there's something good in here, but we'll see. Oh wow, look, I already have gray hairs, guys. Look at that. Getting old. Okay, let's do this. I'm ready. I need it. Long day. Well, this isn't working so far. There's too many leaves. My main goal is probably going to be night crawlers. That's what I'm going to be trying, but we'll see how this goes. It's always good to try these first. Try over here. Probably a little deeper. Okay, I don't want to fall in, but let's keep going. Okay, we might just go to the night crawlers right away. Okay, so we're gonna try a little jig head and probably a bobber. And we're gonna put a night crawler on this. And hopefully that does something good. And it might rain, so hopefully that doesn't happen. Let's actually do this one. This one looks cooler. Where's my little bobbers? It's a little smashed, but it shall work. Still rolling off them homegrown crawlies. Yeah, we'll try that. Yeah, screw it. I'm not sure what would be deepest, but we'll try right. Well, that's too heavy for my bobber. Wow, guess we need a different bobber here. There we be. It's not very deep. This could be a while. I'll move down here. There's a little growth in there, some trees and whatnot. I don't know, would you consider this micro fishing, micro creek fishing? Oh, okay. You see that? What did I catch? Is that a creek chub? Oh, hell yeah, it is. That ain't bait. Dude, I know where to get bait now. Dang. Okay. I haven't seen one of these. Or I don't think I've actually ever caught one of these. How hard is it to get this thing out? There we go. Come on. There you go. Look at that. That's dope. Nah. That's cool. Well, I guess there's creek chubs. I caught something. Whoa, again? Bruh. Well, there goes one. That was badass. Okay, I'm gonna take my night crawlers and close my box up here and then walk down a ways. Well, that looks creepy. I made it. Yeah, not bad. These trees could have some potential. We got something again. I think it's another creek chub. Oh, this might be Creek Chub Central here. I kind of want to try to go over there more. Well, I'm gonna go down a ways. Ow. This is how I get a snag. Oh, yep, that's super not cool. Oh my god, how did I just do that? That was a miracle. Let's try it again. There we be. Yeah. Well, I guess this will be a creek chub video. Creek chubs gone wild. Those are some slimy bugs, guys. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm gonna walk back and yeah, catch a creek chub, maybe throw it on a hook and see if we can have any luck. If we do, that will make me super happy. Let's go do it. Let's catch a little chub chub. Chub 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 chub. Chub 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 chub. Oh, come on, chubbies. Oh, you little chubsters. Come in. Come in. I know you're right there. Come out, come out. Wherever you are. Crap, I forgot to do an outro while I was in my truck, but yeah, I don't know. I found a good spot for bait at least, and probably going down there to get bait off and on, live bait, and we might use it for cut bait in the creek. Hopefully it works. I haven't really tried it in the creek yet, the bigger one, so we'll see how that goes, but yeah, so like, subscribe, and follow my channel for more. Hopefully I can get out and my GoPro just shut off. Get out and fish. With how everything's going, it's getting darker sooner and it's gonna get colder, but I'm gonna try to keep going out there, and I'm going to try to start making some shirts and some merch. I don't know if anyone's gonna buy it, but I'm gonna make some catchy, funny stuff. So yeah, why not? But if you do want something, I'll have something soon. I gotta just design everything, so that might take a while, but anyhow, there's gonna be a video over here and a video over here, and enjoy. I don't know which videos, but I'll find some. Later, guys.